he or she or they never knows what's happening before. So of course, it needs like research more about this. So that's why I really want to make one institution, at least focus on the tourism. Even though in Banda Aceh, a lot of institution was established by some institutions, but it's not run well. It's because not all of Banda Aceh people want to learn it. But because we are not needed here, we're not needed here. So of course, because we want to learn like engineering, economics, because Banda Aceh, yeah, very good city. But in Sabah, only tourism. Why not? We try to establish a new one. Focus on that. That we create any specific purposes. But they just focus on one institution, one purpose. So that's my long term. So I think that it quite enough. Okay, thank you. So,
What is the
what is
expenditure?
your answer?